Guys, welcome back to another channel or another video. Guys, today we're gonna make uh, brown stew oxtail for our Sunday dinner. Guys, right now I'm not using any oil because meat contains a lot of oil, so I am not using any oil at this time. It's just water to cook it up. And here I have my oxtail already seasoned, and we already add all our stuff inside, so we're going to add it to the pot, guys. Okay, guys, I'm now going to empty the meat into the pot from the bag, guys. So watch as I empty the bag into the water. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna leave it to simmer down, and I'm gonna turn my fire down a bit so it doesn't get burned, guys. So you don't want it to get stick at the bottom and start to burn. Alright, guys, catch us in when we're stirring the pot again, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I have pressured it for a few minutes, but I think I'll be giving it 10 more minutes of pressure. Then I take it off and fully completely season and add what I need to add. Okay, guys, so stay tuned, guys, don't go anywhere. Okay, guys, here I'm seasoning the oxtail, and I'm gonna add a few of the spices. Here I'm gonna add a few of the pimento green, guys. Here I'm gonna add some irie ginger powder. Here I'm gonna add a bit of all-purpose. And here, guys, I'm gonna add a few handful of rosemary and cloves. Here I'm gonna add a little more onion. Also, I'm adding sorry about that, guys. I'm using thyme and rosemary water. Now I'm adding my scallion, guys. Now I'm adding just like an ounce of the coconut milk to it, guys. Okay, guys, stay tuned for the finishing part of it, guys. Okay, guys, this is the finishing touch of my oxtail. I don't have any beans to put in it, so I just turn my hands and make fashion. So this is the end of my oxtail. Um, thanks for watching, guys. Guys, you've come to the end of another channel or another video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And do, guys, look out for our next video, guys. Okay, guys, see you next time.